Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sor YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. So in this video, you will know how to build a career in cybersecurity. It was many years before that all the data of the company would be stored in registers and notebooks which were kept in safe lockers. However, that never proved a reliable option since breaking a locker doesn't require a brilliant professional. However, breaking the security of digital storage platforms does. After years of research and coding techniques optimization, humans have reached a level where they can store possibly anything in a digital safe. May it be digitized lockers or highly secured hard drives and online storage engines. You can place all your important files and multimedia data safe with a password and access restrictions. Then how a career in cybersecurity? On contrary, the time we spend in secure information, the same time and efforts are invested by bluffs and hackers in learning different ways to break them. This security threat to digitized data gave a relentless demand to cybersecurity engineers and professionals, people who look after keeping the online data defended. Then what are the scope for a cybersecurity professional? Since the world has already rapidly moved towards digital ecosystem, the threats which follow companies also exist in the digital form. The data of companies, media houses, and government organizations are stored on their online hosting websites, and people who are experts in hacking can easily fetch this data. In various sectors, the duties of lower and medium level engineers are being carried out by computing systems which have lowered their demand. But when it comes to cybersecurity, it is believed that no other artificial or computerized security setup can replace the expertise of human being. For the same reason, the demand of cybersecurity engineers and managers have grown to a certain level that they directly consult with a board members of the companies. There are countless openings for professionals with proficiency in cybersecurity, but the lack of people with the required knowledge has still left many places vacant. Talking about the payouts of cybersecurity experts in reputed firms, the annual salary offered to a cybersecurity professional in the early stages is around 4 to 5 lakhs as opposite to 2.5 to 4 lakhs per annum package of engineering graduates in other segments. The sector has seen around 25 to 35% rise in the package schemes in the last few years of digitization, which has made experienced people end up with an annual salary of 2 to 4 crores. Then, what are the courses in the cybersecurity domain? Once you have passed your 12th exams, you can pursue a bachelor degree dedicated to cybersecurity, which includes a BTech in cybersecurity, which would be followed by a postgraduate degree in the same field or a postgraduate diploma in cybersecurity, an MTech in cybersecurity, or ME MTech in information security. If we pursue any other computer oriented degree, may it be graduated or postgraduate programs such as BE or BTech in information technology or ME or MTech in information technology, then you can do certifications related to the domain as follows. The first one is Certified Information Systems Manager. The second one is Certified Information Security Auditor. Third one is certified in risk and information systems control. The fourth one is certified ethical hacker. A career in cybersecurity could be one of the most promising professions as the demand is set to rise relentlessly. It is not limited to only a single sector, say IT, but every other industry requires its data to be protected and they are ready to pay cost as per demand. So that's all about how to develop a career in cybersecurity and their scopes and courses you have to do. So that's all about some of the information about cybersecurity. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Programming by Lucky Sir, for latest technology videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.